It is estimated that for every $1 billion invested in the United States, $122 million is wasted due to lacking project management. What if you could make all your project outcomes 2.5 times more successful by strengthening the foundation on which all project decisions are made? Organizations that use project management software were 2.5 times more likely to have favorable project outcomes. This could equate to better margins, higher quality products, and faster time to market. Project management software must be strong in these areas: project scheduling, project collaboration, and progress tracking. And project data and deliverables must be easily accessible. Let's explore each of these areas in more detail.
OptiPro focuses on precision optics. We make lens grinding and polishing for cinematography, medical, military, Air Force, that kind of thing. We roughly have 20 to 30 projects running concurrently at any given time at OptiPro. Scope creep is one of the most challenging things because ultimately we want to deliver what the customer wants and needs.
OptiPro deals with changing customer requirements. However, scope creep has many causes. One reason project scope changes is due to a lack of foresight in project planning. SOLIDWORKS Manage will allow your organization to develop a Gantt chart style schedule, which includes predecessors and baselines for all project phases. Baselines are critical in understanding changes to the schedule over time. This schedule will be the basis for making changes, allowing you to have an understanding of how those changes to earlier phases affect downstream project stages. Project collaboration requires a full understanding of the resources assigned to a project and a more granular look into the tasks that have been assigned at each phase. Once tasks and resources have been assigned in SOLIDWORKS Manage to a project, resources can be analyzed for capacity and stakeholders can get a clear vision of their task lists. Using project comments allows the project team to document day-to-day communications, bringing tools to keep you working together every step of the way. Tracking is a major hurdle in keeping the project accelerating towards the goal. Project managers are often hunting for updates and spending considerable time crunching numbers to provide project status to the rest of the organization. SOLIDWORKS Manage provides real-time project progress as tasks are updated. Dashboards allow stakeholders a real-time view into critical data streams using graphs, charts, and other visuals. Reports can be customized easily to provide a shareable format for others.
There was a project that we did with a few machine integration, and the file that we had worked on, which was a statement of work for the entire project, got lost, and the customer came with their original document without any of the updates on it, and there was a big discrepancy on what was actually agreed upon at the runoff, and we had to go back to a previous version that we didn't have all of the updates on it and go through and work through that again, which eventually pushed out the timeline of the project. Having a tool to use to help organize all that information, I think, just makes everything a lot more clear. You know where to look for it, so I think there's a huge benefit to that.
Data that is disconnected from the project and stored in a Windows environment or separate systems will affect the proper consumption of those files by project stakeholders. When data is not found or incorrect data is retrieved, your project timeline can be affected, costing you time and money. SOLIDWORKS Manage with PDM Professional Power will bring all project data into one place. SOLIDWORKS deliverables can be attached to the project, and related files like inspection and process plans can be stored directly in the project for quick use.
So a project is successful. Number one, did we complete the task that the customer requested us to do? Number two, were we on budget with that project? So it's easy to get out in the weeds with a project and, again, trying to just get that project done, but it's more than just getting it done. It's being on budget, on time, and delivering what that customer really needs.
I had to chuckle when I saw this Dilbert comic strip. It shows how easy it is for a stakeholder to get disengaged from their tasks and the impact on the project timeline. With SOLIDWORKS Managed, there will be a renewed awareness of project progress and the deliverables every step of the way. Projects are 2.5 times more successful when proven project management practices are used. The rate of positive outcomes jumps from 34% to 89%. And those successful projects waste 13% less money. SOLIDWORKS Managed gives you a connection to your business data while allowing you to track tasks and real-time project progress, so you can make informed decisions when the time is right. Contact CADimensions today to schedule a review of your project management process so your projects can be 2.5 times more successful.